What's up, gang? Andre's here. We're tuning his car.
What are you doing?
Vlogging.
Yo, what's up, vlog?
What's up, vlog?
Yo, what's up, vlog? Is this a live stream or something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, for sure.
Looking hella sexy. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Caught me off guard there.
Whose laptop is that?
Oh, this is the
Who's this guy?
1994
Who's this guy?
Dell.
Who's this hoodlum?
Yo, it's a 1992 Dell. But it's like, I'll sell it for like 5K, 6K.
5K?
Yeah.
What's up, Brandon?
What's up? What are
you doing?
Tune? I think we're in the right mode here. USB driver installation. When USB driver installation. Oh, you think just try it again?
Maybe. Dude, I don't know.
Okay. But she pulled out the freaking CMD. Like, what am I gonna do? Oh yeah, you're in the System 32. Okay, I see you.
Yeah, delete that.
Yeah.
Delete
that and then code that. All right.
Yeah.
I got you. I'm gonna code the tune real quick.
Okay, bet. Cool.
Yeah, it worked.
Car's braked. Wait, go ahead and start it.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, it worked?
Piece of shit finally worked.
Oh, no way.
Dude, wow. Can I
way.
pay to like get rid of this after? Like, can I just give this to you?
Yeah, error. It's still not installed. What?
Who the f is Majik? I don't know. Flash it. Open this shit. Close this shit. Alright, read this shit. When USB driver not installed.
Click options. Select. No, you have to select open port 2.0 when you
Device open port.
Oh, okay.
And then when
select
USB.
open port 2.0.
Yeah, wait for this.
Alright, looks like we got it. Yeah. Looks like we got it.
Quick insurance claim.
Hopefully, I don't know. Insurance claim?
Yeah, I'm gonna piss my pants. Just type. Yeah. But you know, this is more important. So, driver installed. All right, so.
The button's right there. Do we
Just click it.
shoot? Just call him and have him click the button. Alright, you click it.
Dude, what if I brick it?
Just do it. He's not here.
He comes back, his car doesn't turn on. Bro, it's like a $45,000 car. Dude.
Just click it.
Dude, one button could make this like 500 plus horsepower, or just like, dude, it's a $20,000 car now. What's the other one?
That's it. It's stock.
Oh shit. Stage 1 burble dot bin. Dude, that's crazy. Do I do it? Hey, Kira.
What?
You wanna click a button?
Sure. What button?
So, it's like a 95% chance this works like flawlessly.
Okay.
But there's a 5% chance that this might just brick his engine.
Wait, so that's
just
why
click
you're
the
putting it
button.
on
So just
me?
click
over here.
Yeah, so click the button.
With your finger, just tap flash.
Wait.
Just do it.
Like
Just do it.
dead ass.
I don't
Just do
want to
it.
brick his.
No, it won't. It'll work.
I just
We're
have
playing. It'll work. Oh my god. Okay, you're done.
Stop.
You're done.
Stop.
Wait, what? I thought you said I had to keep clicking it. Wait, I'm confused.
Never said that.
Wait, why is his check engine light on? Did I just break his car?
The f was that?
That was my phone.
Now what?
With them.
Alright, looks like we got it going. How long have we been sitting here?
Solid 20, 30. At least.
Something like that.
Successful.
Wait, I got the burbles on. It's about to be so loud because it's already.
Okay, before you close off of this, go to the next thing.
Go back.
Go.
When it says
You can
turn off the car off.
Disconnect the USB.
Yeah, so.
Alright, throw this in the dumpster while you're at it. You got like a recycling bin around here?
I do. Don't hate on my
Alright, we're
laptop,
gonna
bro. This
Let's throw
crappy.
this on the floor first.
No, I want to keep it. It's got Fortnite files on it.
Even better. We're gonna trash it. Break this thing, tear it in half, and then pop it in the bin, yeah?
Yeah, I'll get it back.
Sounds good, let's do it.
2x what it was before.
Bro, it's gonna be twice as bad, bro. It's like, this is be a Lambo, bro. Alright, what to do once...
ChatGPT. It sounds. I don't know.
No, I can smell it too.
It's probably because it's been tuned, so it's gonna release more gas. Give it a tiny rev.
Oh.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Drive it, Joe. Yeah.
All right. Dude, this is.
I'm not even touching.
Am I in the GT right now?
No, I'm not even. Dude, no, this thing has torque now.
You can't even
Yeah.
see me. Hold on. Where's the light?
Yeah, right. Yeah, right there.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
Sounds
Dude, it's-
bassier.
Does it?
Bassier. Like something, like a little bit.
It reminds like an E90 M3 when you get up to about 6,000 RPM. Oh, because your comfort mode's set to Sport Plus. Of course, it's gonna.
I
The
put
exhaust.
Sport Plus on the. Oh, you're saying take
The
this off?
exhaust.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, but it's still hella loud in comfort. Dude, oh my god. Dude, it's pulling like really hard at 2.5, 3,000 RPM.
Let's hear the burbles out.
You think it will burble?
Maybe we should drive it, Joe.
It's said to drive it light. It might not burble.
Oh, bro, it's still going. There's no. State ref. 100%. Yeah.
Dude.
Oh, this is gunshot.
Oh my god. It wasn't burbling and then it.
When you let off and you're under 3,500 is when it goes.
Yeah.
Dude, my lens is dirty. Dude, it sounds so good though. So was it only popping like crazy in Sport Plus?
Yeah. So let me try popping it.
Oh my god. This is comfort?
This is comfort. Comfort is when you can control it. On Sport, in Sport Plus, you can't. Yeah, you can.
Okay, dude, it's still loud for comfort.
Oh, dude, I just want to rip it another like 50 miles just to get it all the maps. No, there's no way.
10 miles a gallon, that's pretty good,
why is it
right?
an hour and a half?
Is that good?
That's not bad. This is full power. Too sticky.
It's right here, it's right here, it's right here.
I might watch my car too.
It's all clean, bro. Hey, why is it dripping like that, bro?
No, on the right. Dude, look at that thing. Look at it.
Double ooh.
Look, on the tires.
The brush on the tires. Not on the paint, your poor paint, bro.
Dude, watch this.
Oh, it smells so good.
So good.
It smells good.
Gotta run.
Yeah, get in there. Oh,
Oh yeah.
I should call her.
Oh, I feel the air now.
It's on the air. It's on the wall behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you. Oh my god.
Is it out?
No, you have a minute, you have a minute.
Why isn't it working?
You gotta push the thing.
Pull it. Oh.
No, dude, you gotta hit it at an angle, bro. Yeah, like that. Yeah, onto me, thank you. You just, look, you got your girl putting the work in.
Probably scraping the out of my paint.
Hey, good job. Hey, you missed the spot. Bro.
It makes it clean in the tread. Dude, I got these. We're chilling.
Oh, when the, dude, you just spawned those up from where?
Hey, bro, you gotta click the right control. It's on good. Oh, you want a little bit?
Here's my car. Yeah, you missed the spot there, Pookie.
Oh,